Welcome to PrimaLogic and the introduction to how easily FlowViewer can be integrated with your MPS or ERP system. FlowViewer helps you avoid material shortages and unnecessary stockpiling. It also saves time for people responsible for planning and monitoring your material flow. FlowViewer is part of our unified vision concept, where we have gathered our solutions for lean and supply chain management system support. More information on how FlowViewer visualizes material flows can be found on our website. Here you will be given an introduction to how FlowViewer can retrieve information from whatever MPS or ERP system you are using. You will also get an understanding of how information can be retrieved from different companies regardless of their geographical location. There are several ways of transferring information to FlowViewer, the web-based service that we provide and support. The service is designed so that you yourself can establish the connections without time-consuming or expensive installations. We can help you get started, and we're always at hand if you need more support. The most efficient setup is made by installing the communication application FlowLink on a safe location on your network or using our FTP server. FlowLink continuously monitors the selected location or file folder and automatically transfers material flow information to our server. FlowViewer can import data in several different file formats, for example XML, plain text, or Excel files. All file formats are well documented, and often our users can create the files themselves. We will now look at a file created from an ERP system. The file is of an Excel file format and contains information on a factory's component needs from supplier alpha. In this case, the information has been created based on calculated net needs, but could also be information from an EDI file. FlowViewer has been launched and is now monitoring a file folder on the desktop. If we manually save the Excel file in our folder, we can observe how FlowLink takes care of the file and sends it to our FlowViewer server. FlowViewer is now updated with information from the file, and the users immediately see the updated status. In the same way, FlowLink transfers other information files such as stock balance per warehouse, material structures, etc. Another way of transferring information to FlowViewer is by sending it by email to a predefined email address that we monitor. The file is read without delay in the same way as when transferred via FlowLink. When working with new suppliers or when working with suppliers where the relationship is still to be built, there is yet another way to communicate. In FlowViewer, a supplier relationship can be defined enabling manual input of stock balance. This means that FlowViewer opens up an interface for manual editing of stock balances. The supplier simply logs into FlowViewer and can immediately update stock balances in this view. This can be useful if the number of components is low or when the cost of manually editing is low. To summarize, transferring information to FlowViewer is simple to do. You use export file formats that most MPS and ERP systems can generate, and they can be transferred to the FlowViewer server in several secure ways. The result is a visualization of your material flow across system and company borders. Thank you for listening. For more information, you're welcome to give us a call or fill out the contact form on our website.